The gray wolf, a creature of the deep woods, moves silently through its territory, ever vigilant for the scent of prey.
The Arctic wolf, master of this frozen kingdom, braves the relentless tundra wind.
The red wolf is one of the rarest wolves in the world and plays a critical role in nature's balance.
The Ethiopian wolf is the most endangered wolf species, found only in high mountain regions.
The Mexican wolf is a powerful symbol of survival, brought back from the edge of extinction. The timber wolf rules the forest with patience, strength, and a haunting power. The tundra wolf travels vast distances, built for endurance and survival.
The Iberian wolf is a smart and cautious predator native to Europe.
The Arabian wolf survives where few animals can, enduring heat and scarce food.
The Indian wolf relies on intelligence and speed to survive in harsh environments. The dire wolf once dominated prehistoric lands before vanishing thousands of years ago.
The Mackenzie Valley wolf is among the largest and most powerful wolves alive today.
The Great Plains wolf was built for long-distance hunting in open landscapes.
The werewolf is a legendary creature, symbolizing raw power and untamed fear. The maned wolf is not a true wolf, but its unique appearance makes it unforgettable.